Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add more wallpapers in Lively Wallpaper. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Lively Wallpaper applications typically allow users to add or import more wallpapers. Here are the general steps you can follow. The first step will be launch the Lively Wallpaper application on your PC. Next step, look for an option that allows you to access the wallpaper library or gallery. This is where you can manage and add wallpapers. Next step, explore the options for adding or importing wallpapers. This might involve a button like add, import, or a similar term. Next step would be, depending on the application, you may be able to add wallpapers from various sources, such as your local files, online galleries, or specific folders. Next step, if you're adding wallpapers from your PC, navigate to the location where your wallpaper files are stored. Click the open or similar options for you to add the file. Another step, then choose the file, hit open, then click on the file that you've chosen. After selecting the wallpapers, apply the changes to add them to your wallpaper library. Another step, you can also add title, description, author, and website. Once you've already added them, click OK, and that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.